Hey there. Today, I'm going to share a powerful strategy to help you beat porn addiction. This isn't just about quitting porn, it's a life-changing approach you can use to kick any addiction. So let's dive right in. First off, let's get one thing straight. Habits can't be erased, they can only be altered and replaced. That's the foundation of our strategy here. So, instead of focusing on what you're trying to quit, we're going to zero in on what you can replace it with. Here's the deal. Finding good habits that are fulfilling enough to take the place of your addiction is key. Think about it. If you're just sitting around trying to resist temptation, eventually, that willpower runs out. But if you have something else that grabs your attention and energy, you're much more likely to succeed. So, step 1. Identify the triggers. When do you usually feel the urge to watch porn? Is it when you're bored, stressed, or lonely? Pinpointing these triggers is crucial because it gives you insight into what you need to change. Step 2. Find a replacement habit. This is where the magic happens. You need to find activities that are not just time fillers, but genuinely fulfilling and rewarding. It could be anything from exercise, learning a new skill, or even diving into a creative hobby like painting or writing. For example, if your trigger is boredom, replace that idle time with something engaging like going for a run or hitting the gym. If stress is your trigger, consider meditation or yoga. The goal is to find something that feeds your soul and makes you feel good about yourself. Step 3. Plan ahead. Create a solid plan for those moments when you know you'll be triggered. Write down a list of activities you can turn to instead of watching porn. Keep this list handy and make a commitment to follow it. Having a plan can dramatically increase your chances of success. Step 4. Track your progress. Keep a journal or use an app to track your daily habits and successes. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they might seem. This positive reinforcement will keep you motivated and on track. And lastly, don't be too hard on yourself. Beating an addiction is a journey, and it's okay to stumble along the way. The important thing is to keep moving forward and not give up. So there you have it, a simple, effective strategy to help you quit porn addiction. Remember, it's not about erasing your habits, but replacing them with something more fulfilling. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks for watching and take care.